Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, we need to write a function which calculates the sum of all even numbers in a matrix. So what we can do perhaps is create a new list, flattened list, right? That's what they call it normally. So for I in matrix, right, and for j in I, right, we have to loop over every other value in it. If j is perfectly divisible by 2, right, that's the even number. Then what we need to do is 0. Then we need to do lst dot append, right, j. Okay, that's what we need to do. uh, that's what we need to do. And next is, since we have the list now, we can simply do return sum of lst, right? Because that's already the even number list only. So let's submit the code. Let's see how other people have done it. I guess there is no sum related stuff, but yeah. Okay, this is doing something similar. All right, so it's just using long iteration kind of thing, basically. Okay, this is doing something similar, right? Like we did. Okay, so yeah, that's a way to do it. Okay, so that's how we solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.